Hey guys, today I'm gonna be planting my mulberry bush in here. My husband just did this 2 by 2 by 2 pot for me. So I'm gonna put it in here and I'll show you how I do it. My new friend from my Facebook gardening group sold me this one and I'm so excited because I already tasted a berry and it tastes so good. So let's do this.
Do that bee.
Yeah, bee. It's
Flower.
pollinating our flowers.
But they don't want flowers.
They do love our flowers.
Butterflies and insects don't want flowers.
The butterflies and what else like our flowers?
Yeah, insects don't want
Oh
flowers.
yeah, the insects love our flowers. You're right. All right, so this is my Girardi mulberry. So cute, so excited. And that's the little pot that it's in, just so you could see for comparison how big the new pot is. I'll put it inside. Ah, sorry, little tree. And this is what I'm gonna put in. So we're gonna put, I had bought this for something else, but I'm just gonna throw it in here for aeration. It's a volcanic substrate. That's what I have, that's what I'm gonna use because my friend Johnny told me to use lava rock, but I don't have that, so I'm gonna use this instead. But if you have lava rock, that's probably better, not too sure. And I'm gonna use this bag of worm castings, a little bit of the sand I have over here. It's sand that I used when I did these pavers. We put it under for leveling. It's not leveling sand, but that's what I used it for. Worked. So I'm going to put that, and I'm going to put this dirt that's over here. This will be the majority. So it'll be about 3/4 of that, and then the rest this. The hard part is going to be mixing it. So we'll see how I do it. Um, my friend Johnny said to mix it on the outside and then throw it in. So we'll see how I do this. I thought I'd just layer it. This Girardi mulberry is ideal for small gardens because it stays compact, but it gives a lot of full-size, sweet, juicy berries. And it's somewhat of a rare tree, and I'm so happy my family and I get to enjoy her super yummy berries. Like other fruit trees, mulberries like fertile, well-draining soil with a pH of 6.5 being ideal. So just to let you know, the soil that I had over there, it was like a mix of like topsoil, garden soil, compost from my compost. There's leaves in here, there's hay. It's a whole mixture of stuff. So that's what I'm putting for the majority. I just wanted to let you know that. And I'm already out of breath and I only did like a couple of. Okay, so I filled this less than 1/4 of a way, and then I'm just gonna keep mixing stuff in. So we have the substratum, the worm compost, my soil that I had, and a little bit of sand. We're gonna mix it. And I didn't do it here so you won't see it, but I also later on added and mixed in a pine mulch as per my tree expert's advice. It'll turn into mycorrhiza fungi and allows the tree roots to draw in more nutrients and water from the soil, so the tree roots love it. And I'm in zone 8A in El Paso, Texas, but these are hardy in zones 6 through 9. I chose this location for my tree because it gets full sun about 6 to 8 hours, and I'm putting her in a pot because I didn't want the roots to possibly invade my watering pipes, and also for ease of movement. In case she doesn't like it here, I can move her. Okay, let's take this out after we wet it. It'll retain its shape a bit, and you know what? I think I'm gonna have to call my husband for this. Hold on. We're gonna lift this?
Recording?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah. Well, I could lift it. I just don't know how to.
Check it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay, don't break the. Wait.
Hold it. All right, pick it up.
No, but don't pick it up from the.
From the stem?
Yeah, no, might break it.
I don't think I will.
Okay, there we go. All right, little tree.
You need more? Sure.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to see.
Yeah, you want to keep it. If it stayed like that, you want to keep it like that. So yeah, level it up a little bit.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. No.
Just fine. Or you want to dig it out more?
Yeah. Get out. Here.
No, hurry up, just take it out.
There you go. Yay.
Is that straight? You want it?
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, well, straighten edges.
I was gonna take a ruler to.
Oh my goodness. Okay, then let's add some mulch. Some straw mulch from Tractor Supply. And you got a new little home. Yay, you. I hope you like it. All right, you guys, we're done. I'm so excited. My tree has its new home. I put some straw mulch on top. I'm going to let it settle a bit and I'll probably put a little bit of more straw on top. And that's it. I gave you guys some facts that I looked up on mulberries. Let me know if you get one. Let me know if you have one. Let me know if you have any tips for me. Thanks for watching. Buy, but by how much?
By the right amount.
Just leave it like that.
See, perfect.
Anything for our, everything for our mulberry. Okay, we're checking. Cool.
We're good.
We're good. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
How much do I owe you?
We'll talk about that.
What is this street right here?
Do you really want to do this?
No, I'm just
Alright.
kidding. Thank you. Let's fill my mulberry.